Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this non-flame removable dish wax warmer out of a mason jar. Alright, so now we have our wax warmer that we just received today. This one is made of really thick, durable glassware that is built to resist cracking and breaking. So this is a glass mason jar, and included comes with some scented candles. This is great. So when you turn on the light, it actually heats up these little wax melt here, giving you nice smelling. So this one's apple crisp. I did buy a bag of the sugar cookies ones, but this one here was included. So first off, you get the instructions manual, and then in here is the mason jar. It is an electric wax warmer. It is safe and cleaner alternative to burning traditional waxes, candles. It has no soot, no smoke, and no flame. So you'll just take your little wax particles, you'll stick it here at the top, you'll plug it into a 110 outlet. So this bulb is actually replaceable. So you just unscrew the top portion. This top portion here, you put the wax in, but you can actually remove the top. So by removing the top, you can replace the bulb. Any bulb that will fit in there will work. So I'm just going to go and unscrew this off and plug it in so you guys can see how it works. So you can see the bulb right up in there. You just flip this little switch and it should turn right on. And there is your bulb. So not only can you use the wax cubes, you can also add some fragrances to this, like any essential oils or aroma. This mason jar is super nice. The light is really nice. It's not super bright, but it does help with the melting of the wax. Like I said before, if you want to remove the bulb, you just take off this top right here, replace the bulb. Once you're done replacing the bulb, you just twist this on tight, and then you'll stick in your little wax cube in there. So this one here does come with some wax cubes. If you don't have any wax cubes or you don't like the one that it comes with, you can also use essential oils. Anything that you can put in there that smells really good and keep your house fragrant smelling nice. In fact, I like this one. This is the apple crisp. I did purchase a bag of the sugar cookies that I can put in here. Any kind of wax melts will work in this container. If you're looking for a nice wax warmer, I would highly recommend this mason jar. It looks really nice, and it does have a big deep pocket so you could put a lot of the wax cubes in it.